Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. I remember the last time I did this poppo live tutorial video, it was blank, and I promised that I'm going to repeat it. So today we are going to be learning how to play golden flower. First, if you have not joined or this is the first time you're hearing about poppo is a live stream app. You can actually live stream and make money from the comfort of your home. And check the link in the description box to join poppo. Let me know you have joined. Let me walk you hand in hand. So I decided to use this medium to do it. Okay, so a lot of people have also been complaining to me that they are not able to see the game tab when it comes to this their what they call it, when it comes to their profile. So if you're not seeing the game tab, because if you check here now you're not seeing the game tab, this is exactly where you are going to get the game tab. Okay, so all you need to do is to locate a party or you locate a live stream. Okay, so let's see the live stream I'm going to locate. I pray this live stream is not too noisy so that I don't have to be stressed in muting people's mic. Okay, a lot of people in this live stream, their mics is actually muted except for the host, and I've successfully muted the host. So right now this is how it's gonna look like. And the next thing you're going to be seeing is this. What you're going to be seeing, the gift box. You're going to be seeing this gamepad, and then you're going to be seeing this. So you click on the gamepad. If you click on the gamepad, you are going to click on what golden flower. There are different games here: ballet travel, lucky wheels, lucky number, fruit root seal, golden flower, ocean hunt, and then new fish era. So today we're going to be focusing on what? On golden flower. So I'm going to go ahead to click this, and once you click it, you wait for it to load exactly the way this is actually loaded. So you go ahead and mute this. You need to mute it so that at least you can see what you are doing. So if you open it, this is how the interface of the golden flower game look like. And once it's like this, the next thing you need to do is to exchange diamond if you don't have diamond, because without diamond you will not be able to play this game. Okay, and if you click on this place for you to be able to learn how to exchange, if you click on this place, you're seeing this diamond thing here. It is going to show you how you are going to exchange, or you can probably just exchange it before you come in. So you can see that once I click it, it has already showed me. So how many do I want to exchange? Do I want to exchange coins to diamond or diamond to coins? So you're going to drag this thing here like this to know how many you want to exchange. So let's assume I want to exchange. I cannot exchange this 1000. I know go if you work. Let's assume I want to exchange 200 diamonds or so. Let me even reduce it more. Okay, let me just do 200 diamonds. I'm going to click on exchange. You can see that the diamond has increased here to 985. And the good part of this diamond is that you can also exchange it back to the coins if you want to like withdraw, if you want to like send it to where you're going to withdraw your money. I don't know if that is clear and understood. So now you are going to be checking this A, B, and C, and that is why I'm always recommending that agency for you. That King Richie's agency, this is the only game that guy plays, and there is no how you are going to be in that guy's panel and that guy is not going to be calling this game. The guy, he knows this game, like in sabi the game where. So if you have not joined his agency, check the video I did about best agency to join so that you can go and join his agency and enjoy this thing. Okay, now you're going to be seeing the ABC, and of which you're seeing the countdown here, which is a 13, 12, and 11, 10, and the rest. So now we are going to check who won this one. High card, color, and high card. That means it's B. Okay, the most important thing for you to actually be checking whenever this is happening is the highest and the lowest. So I don't click on the 3. If you click on the 3, automatically it is going to still give you anything you're going to make or any coins you are going to get from here. It is still going to give you back the exact coin that you use. Take for example, I use 30 coins to do 10, 10, 10 here. So let's do this 10 now. Okay, let me do 10, 10, 10. Oh, this one has added 20. You can see 10, 10, 10. If all of these cards are high card, high card, high card, automatically this is going to just return back the exact coins for you, because each coins that you win, each box that you win, you're supposed to be getting like times 3. So if you put 10, if you win, for example, you're supposed to be getting like 30. I don't know if you guys get. So that is why majorly what I do during the process of playing this game is I make sure I choose just 2 boxes. You can see that it's showing high card, pair, and color. Are you seeing? And it's showing that I won prize. Now, how many prize did I win? This is 50. This everything I use is 50. Why the price just increased a little that you guys are seeing is because of what? It's because this one was tapped 20. So, but I don't advise you to do all of this. And if you want to play this game, I don't still advise you to go ahead and do what? And play all. So Make sure that you are putting coins that you know that you can risk. It is very important. So now the time is going. You're going to be checking the highest and the lowest. Right now, 4 something is counting high here, and you can see it here. And you guys remember that it is B that has that pear color and the rest of that. Now, if I'm going to choose, this thing can change at some point. So let me just choose this and this. Oh my God. So you need to choose 2, and once you choose 2 out of it, you're now going to look for which one that is the next one. So it is very important. You guys see it's high card, high card, high card. Automatically you are seeing it here that I lost because the 3 is high card. Are you seeing it? So now, since it's high card, high card, high card, at this point it is very, very difficult for you to know which particular one is going to win and which particular one is going to lose. So you have to wait so that this thing we finish this round, so that you will see the particular card that actually won or lose. So now let's wait and see what will happen here, since it's counting already. So you wait, you endure. In the process of enduring, make sure you're doing what? You're collecting your treasure box. Very, very important. I don't joke with treasure box coins. Okay? Make sure you're collecting your treasure box. Now it's counting what? It's counting 0.4 seconds. Can you guys see it? It's counting 0.4 seconds. So let's see. Oh, my network. Another thing that will actually make you lose in this thing is if your network is messing you up. High card, high card, high card. So if I play that one, I for lose. Anytime you see high card, high card, high card, wait and see what is happening. Wait and see the remix. Wait and see the remix and know what is happening when you see high card, high card, high card. So if I would have played again, I would have lost. You get what I'm trying to say? Now, since it's high card, high card, high card, we are still going to wait again and see what is going to happen here. So you can see that we are having 20 something seconds left. Okay? So let's wait. If you don't want to be losing on these poppo games, please make sure that your network is very good. Because now my network is trying to mess me up. Sometimes this counting might be as fast as you cannot even imagine. At the end of the day, if you lose one, you have lost all. And please, as a new person, gamble small. Use small things to be playing this game. You can see that even me, as at this point, I'm using 10. The highest I've used to play this game is 1K. Are you guys seeing that high card is repeatedly? So imagine I'm playing using high card, high card, high card. I don't lose. So don't joke with this. In fact, when you're seeing high card, my brothers and sisters, hold on and see what is going to play out before you click on another one. And this video is already getting more longer than it is. But the most important focus I want you to learn and focus here is make sure that you are selecting 2 box, not 3 box. That is one. And make sure you're looking out for what? The highest coins and the lowest coins, which is the pots. Is it A that is reading the highest, or B or C? Is it C that is reading the highest, or B or C? Any one, and the lowest. Okay, so you choose one of the highest and you choose one of the lowest, and you wait till when the countdown is going slowly before you choose. Yes, there might be a change, a twat, an interval. Before you know, this one that you think will go low will go high, because this is actually a gambling. And just know that for game of gambling, you are supposed to know that what there is a percentage that you are going to lose, and there's a percentage that you are going to win. So but I wish you to win more. That's why I said when you see high card, you stop. And if you want to know more about this game, because this video is over 8 minutes now, I don't want it to be over 8 minutes. If you want to know more about this game, join the agency that I said you should join, which is the King Richie's agency. In fact, so that some persons will not be like, I'm not even seeing the agency, or I've not joined the, or I'm not seeing the agency. Let me take you guys to that agency straight now, so that you guys can see the agency. This is the only game that he plays, and this guy now here and they take making money from. This guy that you're seeing here, now here and they make money from. You can see his poppo ID here. You can see that I am also in his agency. So go and learn and thank me later. If you have not subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.